Hi, today we are going to demonstrate how you can set up a new service, a new Beam, and start beaming it using BeamWriter. First, you got to have the app downloaded on your iPhone or iPad. Then you need to have an account. There's a separate video showing that. You can look it up. And once you have an account and you're logged in, like we are now as jim@beamwriter.com, we can press My Beams and start defining a new service. Once we get to this page, which usually will show all the services you have, there are none at the moment, we can press New Service, and then we get up this screen with all the available service types. There's 6 at the moment. I'm running this on version 2.0 of the app. Today we're going to define a pretty basic service where you can open a web page and then press the service I want to define. I get to the service definition page. I put in the description I want to have visible when I beam the service. So this is the name or the title that's visible to people who pick up your beam. So let's just call this our website. Then you need to put in the link, the address, the URL. And since this is the BeamWriter website, I'll put in BeamWriter.com. And I have to decide whether I want this to be available when I'm not beaming. That simply means if you say it's available when not beaming, anybody who picks up the beam in a setting when you're presenting, for instance, or you're in a meeting or whatever, will be able to access the service even after you stop beaming it. If you switch that off, it's only available for as long as you beam it, and something between 5 and 10 minutes after you stop beaming it. It updates approximately every 10 minutes. For this demo, we'll turn it off, so the service will only be available when we beam it. When we now press Test and Create, it starts to load the website that you entered. And here we arrive at the BeamWriter website. This looks good. It loaded correctly, so we can say yes, set it up. That's a success. And we have defined our first service. And as you can see, we are taken back to the page where all our services, all our beams are listed. And we now have one beam, this one, available. And it's called our website. That's how easy it is. Just press New Service, select the service you want to set up, then go through the setup phase, and you have a new service.